Hey everyone, welcome back to another edition of ScoreCentre. Glad to have your company. Hopefully you are all doing great out there. I'm starting to feel a little bit better, which is fantastic. Today we will be looking at the round 3 AFL tips and also how I went and how we went in round 2. We've got the eBay top 10 Aussie cards and the international cards back this week. Lots of fantastic variety as always. We check out the hits of the week. No AFL highlights or rising stars yet because they haven't arrived in the mail, but we will do them as soon as they arrive. And Cracker Pack is finally back, where we have Footy Stars, TeamCoach and NRL Traders. We're cracking open those, seeing what we can find. But first, it's the AFL tips. Okie dokie, let's do a quick recap of last week, round 2. I got 5 tips out of 9, which is not great. I got the Carlton Cats game wrong. I got the Brisbane D's game wrong, but I got the Collingwood game very, very right. Very happy with that win. We got Richmond and the Saints correct. We got North Melbourne Freo wrong. Quite happy to get that wrong. Happy to see the Roos doing very well. And that was a thrilling end to the game. Fantastic, fantastic game. We got the Swans correct over a lackluster Hawthorn. We got Essendon correct over the Suns. And then we finished with another loss. We went for the Giants over the Eagles, and when we should have done the reverse. So let's have a look at round 3. Starting tomorrow night, we've got the Bulldogs and the Lions at Marvel. I'm going for the Lions, and let's say 23 points. 23 points, just cause. Then Friday night at the G, the Pies v the Tigers. So excited for this one. It's going to be an absolute cracker. Of course, I'm going for the Pies. Then on Saturday, we've got the Hawks taking on North Melbourne down in Tassie. And we're going for the Roos on this one. And then we've got the Giants v Carlton up in Sydney. We'll go for the Blues. Then Saturday night at the G, we've got the Saints taking on Essendon. This is a Saints home game, which I thought Eddie had. Marvel was their home, but I don't know. I clearly know nothing. I am going to go for the Bombers here. The Saints have looked great. The Bombers have been doing really well as well. But yeah, I'm going for the Bombers here. If it was at Marvel, I probably would have gone for the Saints, but I don't know, I feel like Essendon do better at the G. Saturday night in Adelaide, we've got the Derby, or the Derby, depending on your pronunciation. I'm going to go for Port here. I think they'll pick themselves up after that shellacking by the Pies. I think they're a better team than that, so yeah, I think they will do well. Crows haven't been looking particularly good this year. Then Sunday we have the Suns taking on the Cats. We'll go for the Cats. Then we've got Melbourne taking on the Swans. Melbourne v Sydney. I'm going to go for the Swans, and I think they will put the grand final demolition behind them with a win at the G. Then we finish things off with Freo and the Eagles, and I'm gonna go for Freo here. Yeah, not super convinced with some of those tips, but so I'm going for the Lions by 23, the Pies, the Roos, the Blues, the Bombers, the Power, the Cats, the Swans, and the Dockers. Now let's have a look at the tipping comp, and so for week 2, this was our, is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm a professional. I know how to count. So we had Jack Parrott in first spot with 7 tips out of 9. Fantastic tipping, Jack. A margin of 23. Then all having 6 tips correct. We've got Brownie, we've got T. Lenny's Legends, and we've got Izzy Swannies. They all tipped 6. Then we've got Super Swans and Unknown P and Acid and Slays and JTM Works and me as well. Five each, as well as Forever Proud as well. 5 tips. So we're all distinguished by our round 2 margin there. 17, 18, 19, 19, 21, 24. Let's have a look overall. So I'm still in the lead, even though I had a pretty lackluster round for round 2. I'm still in the lead with 13 total tips and a total margin of 24. Jack is hot on my heels, also on 13 with a margin of 31. With 12 overall tips, we've got Brownie and Caleb, and we've got Izzy Swannies, JCam 6, Jesse, we've got Mason, Shannon, Team Wiggles, and Riles taking out the 10th spot. Time now for the eBay top 10, and we kick things off with the Aussie cards. This is for March 20 to March 26, 2023. In 10th spot for $599, we've got the Mark Murphy 300 game signature redemption from this year's Footy Stars. It's a case card. That's number 35 of 50. In 9th spot for 650, we have the Select Heritage Hawthorn 50-year anniversary premiership set. However, this is sort of broken up a bit because it's only the 1961 premiership team, and it's the whoever has had the cards has had those the common cards that came with the set signed by the players themselves, but they're not the official signatures that came with that set, if that makes sense. Then in 8th spot for 819, we've got the complete set of Optimum Plus inserts that came in Optimum 2022. That's very lovely packaged in the album. And then, so of course, you've got all of the players per team and the logo card, as well as all of the rookie cards that came in the Optimum Plus set. In 7th spot for 895, we've got the Shane Edwards 300 game signature redemption, and that was numbered 6 of 50. In 6th spot for 900, we've got the Dusty Brownlow signature booklet, which you could redeem from the 2017 Footy Stars. In 5th spot for 950, we've got some more Dusty with the Scanlan's Retro card out of TeamCoach. This is the first time we've seen TeamCoach in the top 10 for a while. Obviously, collectors very excited about these beautiful retro Scanlan's 60th anniversary cards. These are the very hard to find retro versions. They're smaller, they're sized to the same size as the 63 originals, and they have the sharp-edged borders, not the rounded edges that TeamCoach normally has. In 4th spot for 999, we've got the Carlton Coleman Predictor Platinum out of Footy Stars Hobby. That is number 10 of 60. Would be perfect if Harry Mackay won it again, because it would be jumper number as well. Although Charlie's going to give him a run for his money. Then in 3rd spot for $1,000, we've got another Dusty Retro Scanlan's card. You can see really well the holographic foil thing in the corner there. In 2nd spot for $1,006, we've got the Andrew Johns Record Breaker signature out of Select's NRL Invincible release of 2006. This is a CGA graded 10. And that signature of Joey is number 28 of only 120. And in 1st spot, they're not 1963, but they are 1968 Scanlans. It's a 1968A set selling for $1,350. There's so many different names there that are absolute legends. We could spend all day going through them. But yes, slightly later Scanlan's cards in the 60s there. Then we turn our attention to the international cards, and for the same time period on eBay Australia, In 10th spot for 1,912, we've got a Bukayo Saka Arsenal Colour Blast from 2021-22 Prism. That is a PSA 10. Then in 9th spot for $1,999, we've got the Steph Curry back-to-back auto. This is specifically the 2018. So it was released in 2022. This will make more sense if you look at the back. It's got four-time champion 2015, 17, 18, 22. So obviously 2018 was the back-to-back win. So that commemorates that. In 8th spot for 2,490, we've got a John Stockton, Utah Jazz, spectacular patch, 1 of 1 logo man, match worn memorabilia. This is, I believe, the first time we've seen a Leaf product on the list, which is exciting. You do see Leaf around doing sporting stuff, as well as, I'm pretty sure they do pop culture stuff as well. So that was from Leaf Superlative Sports 2020. Then in equal 6th spot for 2,500, we've got Thierry Henry Arsenal Colour Blast from 22-23 Prism. And then equally 6th for 2,500, we've got Saka again Colour Blast, but this year's version. Clearly an Arsenal fan out there with deep pockets, enjoying their Colour Blasts. In 5th spot for 2,750, we've got the Kobe Bryant Refractor from Topps Chrome 2002-03 PSA 10. Then in 4th spot for 3,250, we've got the Aaron Rodgers Green Bay Packers Dual Patch Auto from Panini Flawless 2021. That's numbered 4 of 6. In 3rd spot for 3,322, just imagine if that was in 3rd spot with 3,333, that would have been perfect. Oh well, but we have absolutely incredible. If you're a wrestling fan, how cool is this? We've got a triple autograph Platinum 1 of 1 featuring, well, it will feature once it's redeemed and signed, a Batista, Randy Orton and Triple H autos all on one card. Absolutely wicked stuff. That's from Panini Immaculate 2022. Wow, absolutely awesome. In 2nd spot for 3,500, we've got an Erling Haaland Borussia Dortmund Blue Refractor. There you go. That's our typo of the week. That D should be a G in his name. Sorry, Erling. But yeah, Blue Refractor from Topps Chrome, UEFA Champions League 2019, PSA 10. And that is numbered 148 of 150. I thought we were going to get through one without a typo. Oh well. There's always next time. And in 1st spot, we haven't seen him on the list. He's kind of like the Dusty for the international list. Is of course Michael Jordan. In 1st spot for 3,550, we've got his Fresh Ink Auto from Fleer Retro 2012-13, a Beckett 9.5, looking very, very young. His college basketball days. That is the eBay Top 10 for this week. The first hit of the week came from a break with Diggers. Love my Diggers breaks. And I was lucky enough to pick up a Richmond Premiership Predictor. And this is my first Premiership Predictor for this year. So very exciting. Love to see it in hand. The design, I think, looks incredibly spectacular. Love that design. That is number 91 of 260. So we have now picked up a Premiership Predictor, Coleman Predictor, a Rising Star Platinum Predictor, and a handful of Wildcard Brownlow Predictors. Speaking of those, last week on ScoreCentre in our Cracker Packs / Footy Stars opening, because it was all delayed until Thursday because of my illness, we did get a Melbourne Brownlow Wildcard, as well as we got a Tom Green, our AFL classified, number 240 of 365. I think they've done him a bit dirty with that photo. It's not the most flattering pictures of Tom Green, but always very exciting to pick up a box hit from random packs. And our final hit for the week was on Sunday morning when I opened up some NRL Traders, including a starter pack. Now the starter packs, the hobby starter packs, come with a Club Heroes parallel. We were lucky enough to pick up a gold parallel. These are relatively rare. They are only numbered to 40. We got number 29 of 40 for Tavita Totola for the Bunnies. So those are our hits of the week. Let's see if our cracker packs can yield more exciting cards coming up right now. And for the first time this season, we have all 3 cards present for cracker packs for 2023. We've got 2 packs of Footy Stars, 2 packs of TeamCoach, and 2 packs of NRL Traders to get cracked on open at the end of ScoreCentre like we do every week. Well, until now, we've not had TeamCoach to open. So, and then last week it was a bit of a sickness-delayed episode of ScoreCentre / Footy Stars. So, yeah, we are back to normal now. This is our regularly scheduled program. So let's see what we can find from our 2 packs of Footy Stars. Oh, we've got a Karen Peterson spot as our first insert. Of course, I will be opening up more Footy Stars tomorrow. So that is our regular Thursday opening of Footy Stars. And we have... Ooh, it's going to make us wait. Oh, it's another spot. We have Jace for the Hawks. 2 spots. I don't think we have either of those players. So I am trying to collect the full set of the spots. So every little bit helps. We have now 2 packs of TeamCoach. Oh man, love TeamCoach. I have really, this is my second opening of TeamCoach because we did open up the box on Saturday. But here we go. So this is the only second time I've opened up TeamCoach since then. So I'm very eager. We've got Dusty, Silver. We've got Tex, Silver, and... Oh, that's a box hit! It's a Star Powers, it's a double Tex! There's a double Tex! Star Powers team colour for the Adelaide Crows. We have the team colours, of course. You've got the 2 pictures, you've got the background, you've got the player in colour. Oh, that is awesome! There you go. Well, that will feature in Hits of the Week next week. You've got a bit of a spoiler alert on your hands there. How cool is that? Love that. Oh, so cool. So cool. You never know what we're going to get out of Cracker Pack. Oh, there you go. And then we've got Sam Taylor. Sam Draper. Can we get another Sam? No, it's George. George Hewitt, Jack Lukosius, and Brennan Cox. Well, we've still got another pack of TeamCoach to go. Oh, love that. We've got Andrew Brayshaw, we've got Zach Fisher, and oh, it's a Bond Gold. Oh, love the golds. Definitely a surprise packet for me. Wasn't expecting much when they were revealed, but absolutely highly rate these cards. We've got the Bont there, we've got more Bulldogs, we've got Jack McRae, Cam Rayner, we've got Nicky Dacos, awesome, we've got Max Holmes, and Lockie Schultz for Rio. And to finish off Cracker Packs, we've got 2 packs of NRL Traders. These are the titanium version, which basically, the titanium are the same as the retail version, except there are 3 additional cards you can find. The gold pearl specials, which are 1 per box, the team driving force, and the black authentic series signatures. So you can get in the retail the white authentic signatures. In titanium you can get the white and the black. So that was a bit of a marathon getting that open. Let's see what we can find. We have, oh, well there you go, that helps. That helps. Just explain what I was just talking about. The team driving force, or rather the driving force team. This is a box hit. This is a card that you can only find in the titanium. And that's another box hit. Cracker packs are very plentiful. We'll get you sleeved up as well. These are just from random packs, so very lucky. How cool is that? Awesome. It's a Warriors as well. I haven't mentioned that. We've got Josh Curran, Adam Fanoa Blake, and Tohu Harris. Warriors team driving force. Now, of course, all three players have their own driving force cards. That's wicked. And then we've got Will Penasini for the Eels as our Pearl Special. And we've got one more pack left. Of course, I'll be opening up more NRL Traders on Sunday. I'll be opening up more TeamCoach. I didn't mention on Saturday, which is our usual days for all of those. So Footy Stars Thursdays, TeamCoach Saturday, NRL Sunday. What the hell is that? What is that? That looks... Wait. Oh my goodness. This is looking like a card that I've been hoping we would get. I don't think it's Storm going by the colours, but I think we've hit a very nice card here. Oh, it's a scoring machines! These are like what? I don't think they're a case card. I think there might be 2 per case. Oh, it's Mitchell Moses for the Eels. So we've picked up a couple of Eels cards. Oh, I've wanted one of these. Oh my goodness. These aren't, I don't think, oh, they are numbered. They are numbered. They are numbered. We have 115 of 120. That is absolutely wicked. I mean, look, Cracker Packs. We've got a Star Powers box hit, a Team Driving Force box hit, and now a Scoring Machines, which is like, I can't remember if it's a case hit or if there's 2 per case, but they are not easy to find, especially from just some random packs. That's absolutely crazy. Oh, that is absolutely wicked. That is amazing. I'm completely in shock over that. We've got the Titans Pearl Special as well. That is absolutely insane. We've got Will Penasini in the base. We've got his Pearl Special as well. Okay, let's just take stock of that. Let's zoom out. I can't even comprehend that. And we'll pop the Bont there because I love that card. This is what we do on Cracker Packs. This is what we do. That's crazy. Well, you never know what we're gonna find. Holy dolly! That is, I'm on a high from that. That was absolutely wicked. I am so excited about Cracker Pack back and in all its glory. I'm just completely still flabbergasted about all of those box hits and possible case hit, if not 2 every case. I don't know. I can't really put my words together, but that's just the excitement of opening packs. I absolutely love it. Thank you so much for joining me for another edition. I will be back on Tuesday. I think I'm getting a lot better. I'm definitely getting a lot better, so we should have all the videos back on their normal time slots. So yeah, I will see you tomorrow, Thursday, for Footy Stars Saturday we'll be doing TeamCoach, and I have a rock, paper, scissors battle planned for that. That will be super exciting. Then Sunday, of course, NRL Traders before, like I said, another edition of ScoreCentre next Tuesday. But until then, stay cool, take care. My name is Dave, this is Scorecard Collectibles, and I can't wait to see you next time.